Hello, this is our second and the last video on order of operations, popularly known as BODMAS or PEMDAS, depending on which part of the world you live in. To refresh our memory, for BODMAS, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M multiplication, A addition, S is subtraction. And for PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, just like brackets. E stands for exponents, just like order. Now, exponents has to do with powers. 2 raised to the power 4, 6 cubed, 3 squared, they are all examples of exponents. M, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, just as I said in my first video, in this video we shall be solving problems using the rules of order of operations, or using the rule of BODMAS or PEMDAS, depending on which one you are using where you live. So having said that, let's get right into it. So let's start with this. Here we have multiplication and exponents or order. Of course, in the order of operation, exponent is higher than multiplication. So first of all, solve this exponent before we multiply. So bring down this 5 times 2 raised to the power 2, that is 2 squared, is 4. So this is 5 times 4, and that will give you 20. Here we have a bracket, addition, and multiplication. But in the order of operation, we have to start with bracket first, or parentheses. So we have to solve what is inside this bracket. So this 10 will come down, rewrite the 10 and the times. So what is here is 2 plus 14, that is 16. So you write your 16. Once you are done with what is inside the bracket, there is no need to write the bracket anymore. So 16, 10 times 16, and that will give you 160. So for number 3, we have addition and multiplication. So in the order of operations, times is higher than addition. So we start with times first. 4 times 2 is 8. You rewrite this 3 plus, this is 8. So you go ahead and add, that will give you 11. This, here we have a bracket or parenthesis. So we solve what is inside it first. And inside it we have 3 squared times 3. We start with this 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. So 9 times 3 is 27. So all of this is 27. Of course, write your equality sign. Plus this 7 here. If you add them up, that will give you 34. You see that? This is very, very sweet. So for number 5, we are going to handle this first. Because in the order of operations, bracket or parentheses come first. So let's start with this. You rewrite the rest. Every other thing you rewrite it the way it is. This is 30 minus, what is inside? 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So minus 5. When you have solved what is inside, no need to write the bracket anymore. So the bracket is out, times 5. This is subtraction, multiplication. In the order of operation, multiplication is higher, comes first. So 5 times 5 is 25. So this is 30 minus 25. And that will give us 5. For this, in the order of operation, division comes before subtraction. So you go ahead and divide first. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this is 20 minus 2. All of this is 2. So 20 minus 2 will give us 18. Number 7, we have to solve what is inside the bracket first. The rest, you write them. Equal to, this is 6 divided by 2. All this inside the bracket is 3. So, 3. I'm writing the bracket still because there's a number beside it. There's a number beside. That's why I'm writing the bracket. So, by the way, if you see a number beside a bracket, it actually means times in mathematics. So this is 2 times 3. This means 2 times 3. But we will not multiply first until we divide. Because the rule is from left to right. If you have a question that has division and subtraction, the rule is to solve from left to right. So and on the left hand side is division before multiplication. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 3 times this 3 here, that will give us 9. This, we solve the bracket first. We write this. 5 minus 3 is 2. Write the rest of the things, of the numbers. Good. So, we divide first. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 4. So we have times and addition. You multiply first before you add. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2. This will give us 14. One more question to go. Just one more question to go. Yes. In this last question, we have 2 brackets or 2 parentheses. Let's go ahead and solve what is in the brackets first. 12 minus 5 is 5 times 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So what is up inside here is also 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So that is it. I hope that this video and these teachings will help you know how to solve problems that has to do with operations, knowing which operation to do first, in that order. If this video has helped you in any way, please, I will appreciate it if you like this video, and subscribe if you have not, and also share this video so that you help someone also. If you have any question on this or any problem, let me know in the comment section so that I will solve it together. Thank you very much for watching.